Hey, if you are looking for the best themes on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G, let me quickly show you where you can find them. So first of all, you will have to actually open the settings. Then you will have to scroll and open themes. Now click on the left upper corner, on the left bottom corner on the themes, and from this select top. And as you can see from this, we can actually find the most downloaded themes for Samsung Galaxy M15 5G, the most popular from any person. And as you can see from this, we've got also some video themes. It looks actually like this. Let me quickly show you with this animated wallpaper. But as you can see from a few of them, you have to actually pay. So if you want to get completely free the best themes, you have to click here and select free. And from this, you can find top free themes for this smartphone. And now if you want to get any of this theme, like for example this one with this cool wallpaper, you have to click to download. And after downloading, you have to just click apply. And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe.